First up, spinach. This leafy green packs a punch when it comes to nutrients. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, spinach also boasts a healthy dose of magnesium, iron, and manganese. These nutrients work together to promote eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and even aid in blood pressure control. So, next time you're whipping up a meal, consider adding a handful of spinach for that extra health boost. Next on the list, broccoli. This green powerhouse is a member of the cruciferous family, and for a good reason. It's loaded with a suite of nutrients including vitamins C and K, iron, and potent antioxidants. The benefits of broccoli extend beyond just nutrition. It also has compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect against certain types of cancers. Our third vegetable, sweet potatoes. Don't let their sweet nature fool you. These tubers are incredibly nutritious. They're a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins A and C, and potassium. The orange color is a hint of the high beta-carotene content, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A and plays a vital role in maintaining good vision and immune function. Moving on, we have carrots. Renowned for their high vitamin A content thanks to beta-carotene, carrots also provide a good dose of several B vitamins, vitamin K, and potassium. The benefits of eating carrots range from improved eye health to reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Finally, we have garlic. This humble vegetable is a nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamin C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. Garlic also contains allicin, a compound known for its medicinal properties, including boosting the immune system, reducing blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. So there you have it, 5 vegetables with immense health benefits: spinach, broccoli, sweet potatoes, carrots, and garlic. Each brings its unique set of nutrients and health benefits to the table. Incorporating these into your meals not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures you're getting a well-rounded supply of essential nutrients. Remember, a healthy diet is the cornerstone of good health. So make these vegetables a part of your meals and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for listening, and until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of vegetables.